Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's scroll all the way down to find special app access and localize the option install unknown apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course you can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so from my browser, not from Play Store. So let's find it in the list and tap on it, and then tap on the switcher next to allow from this source. And as you can see, right now the Chrome is allowed to install something. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. And of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see, it is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.